In search engines like Google, for example, you can actually go ahead and utilize a certain method to actually go ahead and search for specific contents. So you might not know what you want, how you can be actually specific. So DeepSeek can actually help you for that. That is, it can help you create search prompts. So I'm just going to go around and I'm going to say like in Google search engine, I generate a search prompt so that I can search regarding quantum computing PDF files only right here. And in the search, I don't want any results based on traditional computing, just like this. So I'm going to be specific right here on what I want to search. And then as a result, you can see that it says to search for PDF files, especially about quantum computing. This is the search prompt I need to type. Quantum computing inside of double quotes, and file type is PDF and minus traditional computing. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and then go back to Google. Let's say, for example, paste out this particular search prompt and then hits Google search. And then what happens is that it'll search for PDF files, as you can see right here, just like this. So these are the PDF files related to quantum computing, and it doesn't have the word traditional computing in it. So that is how you can actually go ahead and then generate out search prompts using DeepSeek as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.